Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the fundamentals. Confirm the monitor runs at its native resolution and the highest refresh rate available. Once done, switch to a DisplayPort cable if you can, because bandwidth matters for high refresh rates. Next, open the monitor on-screen display and locate response time and overdrive controls. Make small adjustments. You want to start mild? Set overdrive one notch up so you can see reduction in trailing without causing inverse artifacts. Keep a motion test image ready to compare changes. Once you have baseline frames, run motion test patterns at the monitor's available refresh rates so you can compare improvement. You'll adjust overdrive incrementally. Raise it until trailing decreases, then stop if inverse ghosting appears. Make sure GPU drivers are updated and the display output matches the monitor's native refresh rate and color depth. Mismatches cause processing delays. If HDMI shows more ghosting, test DisplayPort. Take notes of each change so you can revert to the best combination. You finish by restoring factory defaults to clear accidental compound settings, then check for firmware updates from the manufacturer and apply them if available. After that, test the monitor with another PC, GPU, or cable to isolate whether the issue is the panel or your system. If you still see ghosting, back off the overdrive setting, too much causes inverse ghosting, and try slightly lower refresh or different color timing. If none of this helps, contact the manufacturer. Hardware aging or panel defects may be the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.